Here's your flower.
Wow, thank you.
Hey babe, look what hole that I am in.
Okay, Team Labs, papunta lang ako sa liquor shop kasi bibili ako ng gifts or prize para sa gender reveal part 2 namin. Kasi yung una is virtual gender reveal, then ngayon is hindi na siya virtual, pero exclusive lang siya sa mga special friends namin dito. So ngayon, bili muna ako ng prize para sa mamaya na event. So yung Team Labs, open na talaga dito sa amin. Dami ng tao, tingnan nyo. Hi. Tingnan nyo, Team Labs, di ba? Nakabili na ako ng wine. Then next, bili na naman ako ng chocolate. Para at least dalawa yung price namin. Wine at saka chocolate. Okay, Team Labs, so yun, nakabili na ako and we are ready for our party. Pero itong video na party namin ngayon, palabas namin siya the next day. Kasi itong video ngayon, pumunta ako sa Ed Square Mall kasi may shoot. First shoot ko since lockdown. Kasi normally during lockdown yung mga gigs ko lang is editing. Ito yung first shoot ko na gig. So ipakita ko yung gig. So wala nang intro, Team Labs. Video start now. Okay, Team Labs, it's good morning. It's another day. Anyway, I'm here now at Ed Square Ed Square Town Center. So for the past 4 months, or yeah, almost 4 months, not working or not having a shoot work. Then finally, this is my first time having my shoot work. Yeah, let's go. Okay, Team Labs, it's a wrap, Team Labs, and it's a really good shoot. And yeah, this is a really nice mall. This is really my first time here, and I'm very impressed with the mall. Kasi parang modern siya. Oops, so bright. Wait. So modern siya at saka daming parang nature friendly. Yeah, see? It's nice. Diba? Let's go home, Team Labs. Actually, nakalimutan ko talaga saan ako nag-park, but I'll have to figure it out. Kasi malaki tong mall na to eh. Then dami siyang pasikot-sikot. But I think it's somewhere here.
take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart.
So now, yeah, I think I found my car. I think I found kung saan ako nag-parking, Team Labs. Nandun. Yeah! I hope hindi pa ako 3 hours. Kasi pag maglagpas akong 3 hours, patay yung siguro $20. Let's go home, Team Labs. Team Labs, let's go home. Okay, Team Labs, pauwi na tayo. Let's go home. Buti na lang, Team Labs, hindi ako nakaabot ng 3 hours dito. So, yung parking ko, free. Let's go home na talaga. Yeah, I'm going home. Okay, Team Labs, bumalik lang ako kasi nakalimutan ko na sabi pala ni Celeste, kailangan ako bumili ng flowers, dry flowers. Kasi yung shoot ko ngayon is a flower shop. It's a flower shop. So, yun, sabi ni Celeste na kailangan daw ako bumili ng flowers. So, nakalimutan ko lang. Balikan natin. So we're here now sa shop. Excuse me. I forgot to buy a flower for my wife.
Oh.
Yeah. Is there any dry flower? Okay, Team Labs, pag-gas muna tayo.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get.
Okay, Team Labs, bayad na tayo.
The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow.
Okay, number 7? 7? Yep. Oh, good. Thank you. Here's your flower.
Cute.
Huh?
Thank you. Cute kay siya. So literally cute. Thank you. Ilalagay natin to dun sa altar na lang.
Huh?
Ilalagay na lang natin dun sa altar. Kasi akala ko medyo malaki siya. Ayan lang. Super liit pala. Sa altar na lang. No? So, sana siyang ilagay dito.
Diyan na lang, oh. Diba?
Sa
Practice mo.
workstation ko.
Ma-inspired ka ba?
Na-inspire ako sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
Wow! Okay, Team Love. So, we are on our way to Discount Party Warehouse. Lidcom.
Wow.
Bibili kami ng gender reveal balloon. Kasi mag-repeat performance kami ng gender reveal party for our friends, of course. So dito, since pwede ng 10 visitors at home. Pero ano na yon, hindi na yon gender reveal party lang. I-celebrate din namin yung mga birthdays, yung mga birthdays na hindi namin na-celebrate dahil sa lockdown. Combined gender reveal plus birthday party. Yun ang mangyayari bukas. So abangan nyo dahil may espesyal na pagkain kami na miss ng mga Pinoy, di ba? So yun, abangan niyo bukas. For now, we will go to Discount Party Warehouse para bumili ulit ng balloon na gagamitin namin sa gender reveal tomorrow. See ya!
Okay, Team Loves, nandito na naman kami sa Discount Party Warehouse. Finally, Team Loves, makapasok na kayo para at least makita nyo gaano to kaganda or gaano kadami ditong mga gamit for party. Tingnan niyo, Team Loves. Kala namin isa lang yung bibilihin namin pero parang matatagal pa ito.
Confetti na lang daw hatag sa ta.
Sige.
Sige.
Okay, Team Loves, so yeah, tapos na. Ito yung party warehouse. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, Team Loves. So, yun yung party warehouse, discount party warehouse. So, yun.
Malaki pa yun.
Ha?
Lang napakita mo.
Oh, yun nga. Mas sabi ni Celeste mas malaki pa daw yun. Pero parang nakita naman nila kasi dami kong pinuntahan. Pero hindi siya super detailed but makita mo naman sa video, Team Loves, na yung party or yung warehouse is super malaki talaga siya. Halos lahat ng gusto mo about party stuff.
Party needs.
Party needs. Yeah, party supply needs. Nandun.
And
kahit costume, party costume, nandun rin.
Saka naka-organize siya by color, so hindi, halimbawa may theme ka, so hindi mahirap hanapin. Oo. Kasi naka by color yung mga stuff. Like for example, yung sa mga paper plates, mga plastic glasses, mga plastic spoons that you need, mga
ma-cover na.
Mga ganun. So, naka-organize siya by color. So, even yung tablecloth, basta mga anong gagamitin mo sa party. So, naka-organize yun. So, yeah, basically, it has everything you need for your party. Maybe birthday party, gender reveal, baby shower, kahit anong party. Halloween, Christmas, kahit ano. Nandun lahat. So, we bought confetti this time because last time was a balloon for the gender reveal. So, this time, confetti naman yung binili namin for a change, diba? So, yes. See you later, alligator. Bye.
It may be hard to do, but
na-transfer na pa na ako dyan.
Hello.
Ayos. Yung bang birthday?
Siya. Birthday ni Jane.
Family ba to kaya? Oo. Yung sauce. Kasi